Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Hey, Emerald Lagasse here with my new Power Air Fryer 360. The air fryer with quick cook turbo heat technology that air fries with air, not oil, and cooks with up to 70% less calories from fat versus deep frying.
The secret is the 5 heating elements and smart fan with turbo blades that are angled to distribute the heat evenly throughout the entire cooking surface. Air fry steak and fries in 20 minutes. The airflow racks mean you can cook up to 450% more than in a traditional air fryer.
But wait, this is so much more than an air fryer?
There are 12 cooking preset functions. One-touch air fry rotisserie chicken 30 minutes faster. That's so crispy on the outside and tender juicy on the inside. One touch and you can roast an entire turkey up to 40% faster. And it converts into a countertop slow cooker. Now you can braise pulled pork all day, or slow cook ribs that are so tender they slip right off the bone.
Oh my God!
Air fry pizza in minutes with perfect crust and sizzling hot toppings bursting with flavor. One touch to broil just like your oven. Make broiled cheesy Reuben sandwiches. And there's a toast function with 5 levels of doneness. Toast bagels and 6 pieces of toast with no flipping. There's even a bake function. Bake a chocolate molten cake with a gooey chocolate center and white chocolate bread pudding with macadamia caramel sauce. Don't heat up your kitchen with that big slow oven. You can cook complete meals for your whole family up to 40% faster. There's even a reheat setting for leftovers. It's also a pro-grade dehydrator with just one touch. Make healthy dried fruit without added dyes and sugar. And crispy onions perfect for any dish. This is a dehydrator, air fryer, convection oven, microwave, rotisserie, and toaster oven all in one. This is the most versatile kitchen tool you'll use every day. The drip tray catches all the grease and crumbs. And all accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze.
Air frying just got easier with the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It offers a variety of ways to perfectly air fry family favorites using 98% less oil. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity oven can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. This oven offers a wide range of temperature options, from 80 degrees to 450 degrees. With low temperatures, you can slow cook, proof dough, and dehydrate. The high temperature options are for baking, broiling, and air frying. This intuitive unit is equipped with a wide range of digital programs such as bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, reheat, warm, and dual cook. Additional one-touch air frying presets include favorites, fries, chicken wings, nuggets, snacks, and veggies. The one-touch dual cook feature enables you to combine 2 cooking types such as bake, broil, pizza, and roast, and run them automatically. Use the defrost functionality for items such as toast bagel and pizza. You can even control the fan speed from low to high for precision convection results. The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, an LCD screen, integrated quick reference guide, stay cool handle, and an interior light to keep an eye on your food as it's cooking. The stainless steel appliance features a modern design with a sleek touchpad control panel and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. With an 1800 watts of power, extra large capacity, and a multitude of functions, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers state-of-the-art results. The new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven.